To do that, just search for Google Collab Focus, then click this link, click connect. Here run this file and click run anyway. Once it is completed, just click on this link and it will take you to this page. Now to generate the models, just click on the import image checkbox, then go to image prompt, click here and select the image for the costume that you want your model to wear. Now click on this advanced checkbox, then change these two values to 0.85 and 0.98 to get a better output. After that, go here and describe how you want the model to be. Then click on this checkbox. Here choose the number of images you want by dragging the slider like this, then select the aspect ratio you want. And then choose the quality. Once you have done that, go to Style tab and check Focus Masterpiece and Focus Photograph options, which will give us more realistic photos. And click Generate. You can see that it has generated amazing models in 4 different styles.